Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add a link to your Canva PDF. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, head over to canva.com and click over here on upload. Now click on upload files. Upload the desired PDF over here. I'm going with this one. As you can see, it is uploading. Click on it. Okay. Now go over here on text on left side and click on add a text box. Write whatever text you want. Now click on the text and right click with your mouse. Here, link. As you can see, click on it and enter the desired link over here. Now click on done. And as you can see, the link is added. Now go over here on share. Click on download. Click on this drop down arrow and select PDF standard. Now select download. Now the file is downloaded. And if you will click on this, it will be redirected to a YouTube video or whatever link you have added. That's it of the video. That's how you can add link to your Canva PDF. Thanks for watching.